Calorie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a key lime pie for Calvin, and it's a low-calorie one. And the ingredients are Cool Whip, sugar-free, lime jello, sugar-free, a reduced-fat pie crust, and 2 yogurt lights, key lime. So let me get started on this. Okay, the first step is to put your lime jello in. And so this right here is 1/4 cup of real hot water. And you stir this up for about 2 minutes till it's really good and dissolved.
This is going to make a good dessert for tonight.
Yeah, it is.
I love key lime pie.
Okay. I think that's good and dissolved right there. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my key lime yogurt. And this is a real light summertime dessert. That yogurt really does smell good. And I stirred that lime jello for about 2 minutes till it was good and dissolved. Okay, so now I'll put this in, the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to stir this up till it gets good and mixed up. And this pie will take about 2 to 4 hours to set up, depending on your refrigerator. So I'm making this one early enough tonight so that we can have it for dessert. Now then I'm going to fold in my Cool Whip. Let me get my spatula. My Cool Whip was just a little bit more frozen than I would have liked. So it's going to be a little stubborn here for a minute. Okay. I love key lime pie. And this pie is under $10 too, so it's very budget friendly, besides being easy. It would have been a lot easier if my Cool Whip had been more unthawed. Normally you fold this in, but since my Cool Whip was not, it was still frozen a little bit. Okay.
That made just the right amount, didn't it?
Yeah, it certainly did. Okay. Okay. All right, my fast and easy key lime pie is made now, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator from 2 to 4 hours, just depending on your refrigerator. So then I'll be back. Okay, my key lime pie has been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours, and I'm going to cut us a piece of this to go with our dessert. We're having leftovers tonight from one of my recipes that I made this week. It was crock pot chicken and gravy. Okay. On top. And a slice of lime. Oops. This is my easy key lime pie that we're having for dinner tonight. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. And I'm going to be enjoying my pie tonight because it's really hot here. And this is really a cool, refreshing little dessert. Bye.